That's pretty good for under seat box.
Yeah. So, what's your name? What's in here, man?
Curtis.
Curtis. All right. Nice to meet you, man.
Sundown, full sundown build, sundown SAs on 3,500 watt sundown.
Okay. That's all good. Any upgraded electrical, alternator, battery, anything?
So I got 2 ATMs underneath toolbox.
Okay.
About to put my dual alternator on it.
Okay.
This is under seat box build too.
Okay. I was about to say.
It's a fucking mess. I'll work out of this motherfucker.
It's all right. I was just trying to see where the subs were. They're down there?
Down facing.
Oh, okay.
Sealed. Not 40 good.
Okay.
Still trying to figure out port length.
That's all right. Where's the amp at?
Behind the seat.
That is? Okay. It's an under seat system. Nice. All right. I wish I could see actually the box, kind of see how it was laid out, but it's underneath the seat. It's going to be kind of hard to do that.
Well, we can open up side doors.
Okay. Nice.
Right now it's 5 cubic foot up underneath the seat.
Okay. And you built this?
Yeah. That's pretty good for under seat box.
Yeah. And the subs are down fired. How does that work for, I'd have to see when you open the doors. Yeah. All right, is there a way I can see kind of the side of the box? Look at how it looks a little bit. All right. So this kind of slid in underneath?
Yeah.
Okay. And you got one under each side?
Yeah.
Okay. And the amp's right there. All right.
Oh, that's a junk ass amp. That's
Okay.
4-channel amp.
And the other one's behind? Okay.
It's a way the fuck in the middle.
Got it. What was the amp wired to? The impedance on it?
1 amp.
Okay. The speaker's under here. Oh, I see it. Got it, yeah. How did you, okay, I see the chamfer space so it doesn't hit the carpet.
No.
All right.
And it's held up by snuff cams.
Hey, that works. And I'd love to hear it.
I talk on there and say hi. We got to put the second out on.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. daily driver.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Curtis.
Curtis. All right, Curtis. Thanks for showing me, man.
You
You have a good day.
Still a work in progress, but place.
Yeah, man. Nice to meet you. Appreciate the demo.